Welcome to the last and final episode of Carvalho Crochets Makes a Ball Gown.
Where you been?
The holiday season almost took me out, but here is where we left off, and here's what it looks like on my client so far.
Prepare to be sick of me! This is so cute. Look at the back, y'all. Look! Ah!
You must travel back in time.
So today I am working on the ball gown. We got some really good progress on the width of the skirt, on the width of the bottom. I am thinking I'm going to do one more round of increases, and then I'm just going to keep going straight down from there. It has a good amount of width to it right now, so I think it should be good, but we'll see how it goes. I really like how it's coming, and I'll show you what it looks like on Vanessa in a second. Hey everyone, let's finish up this ball gown. All right, so I have just finished the neck piece and I've re-added it to it. We've met our length as well, so celebrations for that. I purchased these hook and eye from Amazon. I am going to use them for other things. It's because I have so many of them now, and these are really good to have in case you have new orders or things, especially if you make like bralettes. You can add this to close it up in the back. So I have those on my Amazon storefront. I'll link them below so that you can grab them if you're thinking about it. We're going to use the black ones, and we're going to use the medium size just so that it still is hidden. I grabbed a bra so that I could know which side gets the hook and which side gets the eye, because I wanted to match to what's standard, like muscle memory. So we have that. We're going to probably put two eyes and 2 hooks on each side, and then we're going to make our bow. So I'm going to do that now. I have my needle and thread, my weave needle, my weave thread, and we have my hook and eye. So I'm going to do those now, and then I'll show you what they look like on the back of Vanessa, because we're going to put it on Vanessa one more time before we start making our bow. All right, let's keep going. Hi, my name is Tiffany. I own Carvalho Crochets, and I made this ball gown. Let's try it on. There we go. I did it. It's done. We did it, boo. Yay! Okay, bye. Hey everyone, I want to just share the very last part of this ball gown is the bow. And this is my second time making it, but here is the bow. So far really good. I do like the way that it looks, and I'm really happy with how it came out. I am going to now take these pipe cleaners. I have trimmed all 4 of them down so that they no longer have any of the fuzzy stuff on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to single crochet around the edge of each, around each pipe cleaner. And the goal is that the structure of the bow will maintain its shape Everyone that guessed, that wanted to know what that was yesterday, it was a bow. Yeah, it's a bow. Isn't it cute? And I know that it will be a little bit heavy, so when I sew it together, like when I sew it finally, I'll make sure I sew it so that the structure stays. It's gonna be a lot for a bow, but I think this is a good size and pretty to go on the back of the gown. Let's go look and make sure we like the size. Hold on. No sense in keep going if the size is wrong, right? Yeah, that is actually perfect. That looks really pretty and dramatic for it to go right there. So I'm gonna sew it on to this section, and it's just going to rest there. Yeah, but that looks really, really good. I think she's gonna like that. Everyone, you've caught me at the very final step. We are adding the bow that she asked for. We figured out how to defy gravity and allow this piece to just really come together. It is coming together so nicely. And I think that's it. All right, let's attach the neck again. All right. And that's centered too. It's centered! Yay! Okay, let me do one more to the back. And then it's right in the center. This is so good. And it's holding everything up really nicely. Yay! Good job, Tiff. Okay, let me close this up. I'm gonna sew this off, sew in my ends, and yeah. That's so fire to have this bow like this, and she can like play with it structurally if she wants it to be like more like puffed out or flattened. Either way. And it's like, what's perfect is that it's straight, it's centered. It's so good. Yay! Go dress, go dress, go dress. The dress is done. Got a nice back. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited.
I present to you, voila!
Thank you so much for watching. Carvalho Crochets makes a ball gown. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!